In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete Exness account verification step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly what to do from sign in to document approval so you can start trading with full account features. Begin by heading to the official Exness website and signing into your personal area, or open the Exness app if you prefer using your phone. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that your login details are correct. Once you're in, look for a prompt that says something like "Become a real trader," or navigate to your profile or verification section. That's where the verification process starts. You'll first verify your contact details. Enter your email and type in the code sent to your inbox. Then add your phone number and confirm it using the code you receive via SMS or call. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment. Check your spam or message filters and request a new one if needed. Next, fill out your personal information carefully. Enter your full legal name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your official documents. Keep your address consistent with what will be shown on your proof of residence. Small mismatches can lead to delays, so double-check spelling, formatting, and any accent marks. You'll then complete your economic profile. This section asks about your trading experience, employment status, sources of funds, and overall financial background. Answer honestly and thoroughly. These questions are required by regulators and help tailor your trading experience, but they do not affect your ability to apply for verification. When it's time to upload documents, prepare two types. For proof of identity, use a valid government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license. Upload a clear, color photo with all four corners visible, no glare, and no heavy edits or filters. For proof of residence, provide a recent document like a utility bill or bank statement that shows your full name and residential address. It should be recent, typically issued within the last 3 months, and match the address you entered earlier. After everything is uploaded, review your entries one last time and submit. Exness will usually review documents within 24 hours, though it can be quicker or take a bit longer depending on volume. Keep an eye on your email and account notifications in case they request a clearer image or an additional page. That's it. Once approved, your account will be verified and ready for full functionality. Take your time with each step, keep your documents crisp and readable, and you'll be set in no time.